Severe weather happens every spring in the Miami Valley. Our active storm season can be dangerous, but it has inspired many weather enthusiasts, including some of the nation's top researchers and forecasters.
I was always fascinated with weather, from severe thunderstorms to winter weather, dense fog, everything in between. We get it all across Ohio.
Dr. Ariel Cohen works at the Storm Prediction Center and teaches for the University of Oklahoma School of Meteorology. A native of Columbus, he received his undergraduate degree in atmospheric science from The Ohio State University. Growing up in Ohio, he brings vast knowledge of our weather patterns into the national spotlight.
A lot of the time, thunderstorms will be very intense across parts of Illinois and Indiana, be rolling into parts of the Miami Valley of Ohio and Whitewater Valley of Indiana, and will be dissipating by the time they get to central Ohio.
Dr. Cohen isn't the only SPC forecaster with local ties. Jaret shares his father's story, witnessing the supercell that produced the Xenia tornado of April 3, 1974.
My father and his siblings lived in a farmhouse there in Fairborn. So they actually were on the northern side of the storm that went through Xenia, and they experienced softball-sized hail.
After that storm, nearly everyone in Greene County was either affected in some way or helped in the recovery efforts.
My grandfather, who actually worked at a cement quarry there in Fairborn, they were using that as a storage site for the damage from Xenia.
Rogers wasn't born yet in 1974, but his family's story encouraged him to follow his passion.
But as I got older and started studying meteorology, I realized, wait, this wasn't just some event that my family was talking about. This was an event that was pretty impactful on a large scale.
How does this local experience help these meteorologists who must focus on the entire country?
But there's a certain rhythm overall that we have understanding of, experience with, growing up with, in terms of being able to apply that to the forecast process.
Remember that not only are we ahead of Miami Valley storms here at Fox 45, so is the Storm Prediction Center. From Norman, Oklahoma, I'm meteorologist Mike Joyce, fox45now.com.